Tesla made some very large moves in both directions, but for almost 4 years, the stock has still gone nowhere on the larger chart. I still see this entire structure as a large correction, and now the range is getting tighter. The next thing I want to see is whether this compression continues inside the range or Tesla finally breaks one of the two major boundaries, around $100 below and $500 above. Since 2022, the lows have moved higher. So even though Tesla keeps making large moves, the overall range is slowly becoming smaller. My preferred scenario is for this compression to continue. From the current structure, I would first expect another move lower, toward roughly $200. From there, Tesla could move back toward the 400 to 420 area and then turn lower again, toward roughly 250. This type of compression can develop as a contracting triangle, and this is the structure I currently prefer here. If it continues to develop, Tesla could spend more time moving back and forth inside this range before the larger correction is finally complete. But the exact path inside the range is less important than the two major boundaries. The upper boundary is around $500. A clear break above that area would be strong evidence that this long correction is finally resolving to the upside. The lower boundary is around $100. If Tesla eventually moves into that area, a strong reaction could still complete the larger correction and leave room for another major move higher. But if price clearly breaks below 100, I would need to reassess the entire long-term structure. For now, Tesla is still trapped inside an extremely wide range, with large moves possible in both directions, but without enough clarity for me to trade it. My preferred path remains roughly 200, then 400 to 420, then around 250, while the larger range continues to compress. The two levels I am watching are $100 and $500. A clear break of either boundary would materially change the current picture, and that is when I would update the analysis.